My name is Queenie, and until recently, I was working hard in school and taking part in lots of activities and projects, as well as supporting my family and spending time with my friends.
When things changed due to COVID-19, we had to stay in our home to stay safe and protect the NHS. I know the most important thing at the moment is to keep as many people safe and well, and I know I will be with my family and friends again soon.
One thing that I can't replace is the time lost in my education, because some of us don't have internet or laptops or tablets in our homes for us to continue studying. So because of this, we're falling further and further behind in our education.
We want to work hard to learn and study and have a career that makes a difference. We can also use the device to support our family and friends, to order food and access the latest health information and service. Please, can you help us by donating to buy equipment and data for young people who can't afford any of these things, so that we can keep up with our schoolwork and college, keep learning and support ourselves and our families better.
Thank you, Olivia, for giving us the chance to help out young people and families that can't afford IT in their homes and wouldn't get any equipment from school.